Objective: to study about animal kingdom. Classification of the phylum Annelida. Phylum Annelida is classified into three classes, namely Polychaeta, Oligochaeta, and Hirudinea. Class 1 Polychaeta. This class includes marine annelids. These are commonly called bristle worms, as they possess bundles of bristle-like setae. Some are free-moving, some are burrowing, and some are tuberculous, or tube-dwelling forms. Head is distinct in polychaetes with sense organs such as eyes, tentacles, and palps. Parapodia help in locomotion and respiration. Clitellum is absent. Polychaetes are dioecious. They lack gonoducts, hence gametes are released into the coelom and passed out to the exterior by the nephridia through the nephridiopores or by rupture of the body wall. Fertilization is external and occurs in water. Development is also external and occurs in water. It is indirect and includes the trochophore larva. Nereis or Neanthes, commonly known as sandworm, clamworm, or ragworm, is an example of Polychaeta. Heteronereis is the sexual form of Nereis. Other examples are Aphrodite, the sea mouse, Arenicola, the lugworm, Chaetopterus, the paddleworm which exhibits bioluminescence, and Eunice, the palolo worm which exhibits lunar periodicity. Class 2 Oligochaeta. This class includes the earthworms. These are burrowing forms found in moist soil. Some, like tubifex, are freshwater forms. Body shows the presence of a few chitinous setae that are the locomotor structures. Clitellum is found in the mature forms. It produces cocoons during the breeding season. They are hermaphrodites and exhibit protandry. Fertilization and development are external and occur inside the cocoons. Development is direct, without a larval form. Examples include Ferritima and Lumbricus, which are the common Indian earthworms, Megascolex and Tubifex. Dravida grandis is the largest Indian earthworm. Chetogaster is the smallest Indian earthworm, and Megascoloides australis is the largest earthworm, which is found in Australia. Class 3 Hirudinea. This class includes leeches. They are ectoparasitic, sanguivorous, which means blood-sucking forms. Majority of them are freshwater forms, some are marine, and others are terrestrial that live in moist soil. The body is dorsoventrally flattened. Body is divided into fixed number of segments. Segments are further subdivided into fixed number of annuli. However, internal segmentation is absent. Locomotion is brought about by suckers. There are two suckers, larger posterior, and the smaller anterior, and the coelom is obliterated by the botryoidal tissue. It is considered to have an excretory role by some. Some consider it as a storage tissue for iron and calcium. Others stress on its role in the revascularization of injured tissue. Circulatory system is of open type. They are hermaphrodites. Clitellum is formed only during the breeding season. It produces cocoons. The male reproductive system includes a copulatory organ called cirrus. Fertilization is internal. They are known as copulatory hermaphrodites. Development is external and occurs in the cocoon. It is direct, without any larval form. Examples include Hirudinaria, the Indian cattle leech, Hemidipsa, the terrestrial leech, Hirudo, the medicinal leech, and Pontobdella, the marine leech with setae, also called skate sucker. Class 1 Polychaeta. This class includes marine annelids. These are commonly called bristle worms, as they possess bundles of bristle-like setae. Nereis or Neanthes, commonly known as sandworm, clamworm, or ragworm, is an example of Polychaeta. Class 2 Oligochaeta. This class includes the earthworms. These are burrowing forms found in moist soil. Some, like tubifex, are freshwater forms. Dravida grandis is the largest Indian earthworm. Chetogaster is the smallest Indian earthworm, and Megascoloides australis is the largest earthworm, which is found in Australia. Class 3. Hirudinea. This class includes leeches. They are ectoparasitic, sanguivorous, which means blood-sucking forms, and the coelom is obliterated by the botryoidal tissue.